Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check for processes running on your Linux machine. Okay, so let's say you're in a terminal, you want to know what services are running, what's running. Okay, more like a task manager but on the terminal. So I'll be showing you how to check for that, so which is a very simple command, which is top. Okay, so if you type in top on your terminal, okay, if you type in top like that, press enter. Okay, so let me just make this big. Okay, so as you can see here, it will show you all the running processes. So what service is running on what. So this is our port ID. Okay, that's, and who's the user and what's running under that. Okay, so let's say let's see if I can find the service was here. Okay, so as you can see, we have others which are running here. So once you see if there is one service that is impacting your system very much, like let's say, let me try to open up a browser. Let's say we open up that browser, which is Firefox, yeah. Okay, so that Firefox is running now. If I open up our terminal here, let me just put it here on the side. Okay, so if we try to check, as you can see here, Firefox is there, and we just need to confirm the ID. Okay, Firefox with ID 4043. So if I see that is impacting my system, I can kill that service just by pressing. Okay, so now if I go back to my terminal, press Ctrl C. Okay, I'll exit from that mode. So now I know it was 4043. Okay, that was a service that was running. Let me just verify, it was this one here. Okay, so yeah, it is 4103. So now if I want to kill that service, as you can see, it is right here. So if I want to kill it or stop it, in a sense, I'll just type in kill, then I'll give it my port ID, which is 4103. Enter. As you can see, that service has been closed. So that's how you can check for what services or what applications are running on your system and how they're impacting them, and that's how you can stop the service from running. So if you found this video useful, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit notifications so that you don't miss when I drop a new video. Okay, and there's more content on my channel, just surely check it out. I've also linked other videos like how to perform a phishing attack using Black Hat, how to install Zfisher, which is a phishing attack tool, how to install Resiscript, which is a very powerful tool. So I also have videos on those three in the description below. You can check them out, and if you have any video requests, please don't hesitate to leave a comment so that we can go through that as well and help you out. So don't forget to subscribe and share with a friend.